Everyone, welcome to VKY Academy. This is the first session of the DSCH Microwind software, which is a very useful tool for the logic circuit design and circuit simulation. This is also very useful for the logic symbol, output verification and validation. Now in this session we will only discuss about different types of menus, different types of functionalities and logic symbols or symbol libraries. So let us discuss one by one. Let's understand about different menus on DSCH software. The first menu is the file menu, then edit menu, insert menu, view, simulate, help. File menu contains the new file, open, save, save as, which is general in all kind of softwares. Edit menu has some options, undo options, cut option, pause option, copy, move, rotate, flip, line, connect, text. Insert has an option of user symbol.syms. View is for zoom in, zoom out, timing diagram, electrical net, etc. And simulate has a start simulation option, which you can do by pressing the F2 button also. Now here in the right side you can see there is a symbol library. This is the symbol library. All the basic symbols are available here, starting from the NOT gate to tri-state inverter, tri-state buffer, AND gate, 3-input AND gate, hexa keyboard and all other symbols. Now if you want to see the symbols, you can simply click here and you can drag on the screen. All the symbols on the screen one by one. The first symbol is used for input. This is for grounding. This one is for supply. This is for clock input. This one is for output. This is hexa display, tri-state inverter, tri-state buffer, 2-input AND gate, 3-input AND gate, hexa keyboard, 2-input OR gate, 3-input OR gate, N MOSFET, P MOSFET, a combination of an AND gate and OR gate embedded on a single symbol. So in this way you can drag any of the symbol on the screen and you can connect with the help of wires available on the software. Now if you want to delete this symbol sled, you have an option of cut. You can simply click on the cut button and click on the symbol. Cut. This you can delete. Now in this way you can delete any of the symbol on the screen. Now let I have a symbol of NOT gate and I want the copy of this symbol. Simply click on the copy, click on the symbol, click on other part of the screen. The copy. Let us see how to use the flip button and the rotate button of the DSCH software. Drag one symbol on the screen. If you want to rotate it left, click on the rotate left button and click on the symbol. If you want to rotate it right, click on the rotate right button and click on the symbol. Now let us take one copy of this symbol. Click on the copy, click on the symbol, click on the screen. If I want to connect the output of these two symbols with the help of a wire, click on the wire, click on the output of the first symbol and join it at the output of the second symbol. Now if you want to check the electrical connectivity of this wire, you can simply click on the view electrical net button and you can click on the wire. Now you can see the output of two symbols are connected perfectly with the help of a wire. And zoom in and zoom out. Click on zoom in. Click on the screen. Now you can see the diagram becomes bigger in size. Click on zoom out. Now the diagram becomes smaller and smaller. So this is how the zoom in and zoom out works. Now if you want to add text, click on this text button. Click here. Simply type now the text is on the screen.